Hello students, welcome to the SourceFoot online learning session. SourceFoot, one of the leading names, helps students in their life goals through schooling, sports and life skill. Today I am starting the science subject for the grade 2 first lesson, types of plants. From this chapter we are going to learn types of plants, example for types of plants, parts of a plant, and here is the YouTube link. You can click and download and watch it. Plants. We see plants are living things. Some are big and some are small. Some plants grow on water and some plants grow on land. And there are wide variety of plants according to their sizes we see which around us. First one is tree, herbs, shrubs, climbers and creepers. One by one in detail, let's see. Trees. Trees are the big plants. They live for many years. They have large hard stem, strong stem, and the stem of the tree is covered with the bark. The bark protects the stem. The stem of the tree is called trunk. We grow fruits from the trees. We get a lot of fruits like coconut, mango, orange, banana, jackfruit from the trees. And we can see some trees like a rubber tree where rubber is collected like this, and we get gum from the trees, and we also use the wood which we get from the trees. Here are some of the trees which are long, big. We can see banyan tree, coconut tree, apple tree and pine tree, which are large in sizes. They live for many years, like more than 100 years. And let's next see about herbs. Herb is a very small plant. It has soft green stem. And herbs plants live for only few months, like more than 3 to 5 months. And we grow many vegetables from the herbs like tomato, chili. And we also grow some of the beautiful flowers like marigold, daisy, sunflower, tulip and zinnia. These are some of the flower plants which are herbs, and these live for only few months, like 3 to 5 months. And let's see about shrubs. A shrub is a plant which is bigger than the herb and smaller than the tree. It has many stems. You can watch in this hibiscus flower plant. It has many stems in it and hard and woody stems. This is a big bushy plant. It lives for many years, like more than 20 years. It has life. We have an example of rose and tea plant. Here you can see it has many stems and it is very bushy. The tea plant too. And let's see about climbers. The climbers need support to grow. Like they grow on climbing poles, walls and on other plants. You can see some climbers climbing on the big plants for the support. Here you can see the vertical fence built for the plant for its growth. Some climbers live for many years, some live for few months. We can see pepper and grape climbers, they live for many years. And some of the climbers like bottle gourd, bitter gourd, and they live for only few months. And here is an example of morning glory, pepper plant and grapevine. And morning glory, it has taken the support of the wall. And the pepper plant, it has taken the support of a pole. And for the grapevine, we built a support like horizontal fences. And let's see about creepers. Creepers has a weak stem and they grow along the ground. Creepers live for only few months. We can see the watermelon plant, it live for only 3 to 4 months. We grow many kind of fruits and vegetables from the creepers like watermelon, muskmelon and pumpkin. We can see the pumpkin, watermelon and muskmelon plant on the land. Because it has a very weak stem, it cannot take the support of the wall, fence, etc. It is grown on the ground. And parts of the plant, this topic we can discuss in the next video.